If you have, that's why things, if you say, for instance, if I had a lot of kids, I would definitely, every time I would see chicken breasts and boneless skin, like a store I shopped at, they had 77 cents a pound bone-in thighs and drumsticks. Man, I'd have be a freezer stocked with stuff like that, because you could bake it, you could fry it, you could saute it, you could debone it. Just so many ways you can fix it. And I would have beans in my rotation at least once a week, if not twice.
If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we be taking everything for granted, no lie. Cause I remember days that we could barely get by. Used to use the negativity to get high.
Hey y'all, so just left church, headed home. Just thought I'd stop by and say hi. Welcome all my new subscribers. Y'all know, as I always say, it's all love over here. I value your opinions. I like to come on here and discuss things. All I expect is respect, and that if you have an opposing opinion, tell why. Because sometimes sometimes people have to base their opinion on what they know, and then they don't know it all. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So, y'all, I was coming, my son and I was headed to the grocery store, and I heard of it, my son saw a wreck. When I tell y'all, the truck came by and hit that car and took the whole hood off, the whole front of the car. I'm like, goodness. So I pray those people are all right. I did see some ambulance come after the fact. But how's everybody doing? Y'all, I just want to come on here too and talk about how the price of grocery is creeping back up. Wow. I got when I bought the things for the church for our feeding last Saturday, I paid $4. Look at this truck just blew right in front of me, like I'm not, and then didn't use a signal. I paid $4 for 68.38 or something like that for 18 count eggs. I like the extra large. Today is $5.38. I'm like, goodness, the prices are creeping back up. Y'all know I like the Mount Olive salad dressing. The 8 ounces used to be like $1.38. It's $1.78, and I like to buy 16 ounces. They didn't have any in the store, so good thing I already had some at home. But the prices are they're ebbing and flowing. So I thought it was gonna go down and stay down. No, it's I'm telling y'all, it's up and down. So and I look and I said, I passed by a convenience store, $6.99 for a 12-pack of sodas. And then we went to Sam's to get water. My son don't like the Great Value water, $3.98. He like Ozarka. It's $6.24. I'm like, goodness gracious. But that's still better cheaper than buying it individually though. So, you know what though? At this point, I'm just thanking God for provision. Thank God that I'm able to buy any kind of water. You know what I'm saying? Because at one time, we didn't buy water. Yeah. We drank what came out of the faucet, right? I'm sorry, y'all, just bumping up and down. This road is kind of... But yeah, church was really, really good. I guess that's all. That's what... Yeah, I just want to come and tell y'all about the grocery prices and how that's why when I do buy grocery, I try to stock up, on things that I know I'm going to use consistently. When I find it on sale, I try to buy in bulk because, oh my goodness. And, it's just a family of 3 in my house. If it would be a family of 6, 7, 8, 9 people, oh my goodness. With the price, oh shit. Woo! With the price of grocery. My car done went in neutral, my hand hit it. Yeah, but it's a lot going on. It's a lot going on. So if you have, if, you know, that's why things, you know, if you say, for instance, if I had a lot of kids, I would definitely, every time I would see chicken breasts and boneless skin, like a store I shopped at, they had 77 cents a pound bone-in thighs and drumsticks. Man, I'd have me a freezer stocked with stuff like that, because you could bake it, you could fry it, excuse me, you could saute it, you could debone it. Just so many ways you can fix it. And I would have beans in my rotation at least once a week, if not twice, with a whole bunch of kids, because it's filling, it's nutritional, and it's cost effective. You know what I'm saying? So, man, you got to find ways to make things work. And I realized that, y'all know, remember I told y'all I had a grocery habit, and then after my mom died, I kind of didn't like to go into the grocery store as much. I feel like I'm getting that back. So, but what I'm doing, how I'm shopping out of my own freezer. Yeah. All right, y'all, I'm gone. I'm on my son's phone, because mine, I got to take some stuff off of there, whatever. I couldn't record. But I just want to stop by and say hi. Welcome all my new subscribers, and for those who continue to support me, I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I do. I appreciate you. All right, y'all be safe out there. Much love. Bye.
I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes